Tens of millions of Americans are waking up under winter storm and blizzard warnings on this Sunday morning. A system that forecasters are calling one of the strongest winter storms in more than a decade is set to impact Americans from Colorado all the way to the nation's capital. NewsNation's Caitlyn Becker joins me with the latest. Caitlyn, good morning. What are we already seeing out there?
A lot of snow, Hena, and it is not going to stop. The worst of it is still to come across the Midwest and the Mid-South before that system heads east and impacts the I-95 corridor from Philly to D.C. The system started dropping snow yesterday in Utah and began moving its way east through the Rockies. Areas near Salt Lake City picked up more than a foot of snow in a matter of hours. The first few bands of winter weather caused travel disruptions from Denver through Kansas and into central Missouri, and that created a bit of a headache for the Kansas City Chiefs. The team got stuck on the tarmac Saturday for more than 3 hours after the KC airport had to be shut down due to icy conditions. The Chiefs finally landed in Denver late last night ahead of their game this afternoon against the Broncos. And crews were out in force yesterday in suburban Kansas City trying to get the roads ready, as were those rushing to the stores to stock up on groceries with as much as 20 inches of snow in the forecast expected to drop around the KC metro area.
Empty. These lines are long. Honestly, all we're trying to do out here is be as nice to each other as possible because we're all doing the same thing.
And I'm telling you, like when the milk truck showed up, we were doing everything in our power to get it stocked. When the refrigerated truck with the eggs, we were literally pulling the pallet out and just stocking them as fast as we can.
Being nice to each other is that Midwest charm there that we don't have when it's a blizzard here in New York. But blizzard warnings are in effect for Kansas City and points west until 3 a.m. local time tomorrow. And across the U.S., winter storm warnings are up now for parts of 15 states. Now, the storm system is stretching from the Kansas-Oklahoma border, eventually all the way over to the Atlantic. And this thing is just getting ramped up. State officials as far east as Virginia are already urging residents to prepare for a long week, Hena.
All right, let's talk travel. What's that looking like so far?
Well, as you can imagine, it is not great, but it is not all bad news. At least for today and tomorrow, the winter storm will not directly impact any major airline hubs. So places like Chicago, Minneapolis, and Atlanta will be spared for the most part. The same cannot be said for other areas. This morning, we're seeing a ton of flight cancellations across the Midwest. More than half of all flights into and out of both Kansas City and St. Louis are canceled today. Cincinnati is also seeing those delays piling up. And it's the airport conditions at these smaller regional airports that end up impacting the hubs like Dallas and Chicago O'Hare. Snowballing, as it were. More than 100 flights at O'Hare and another 60 plus at DFW were already canceled this morning. Governors in more than half a dozen states are asking drivers to please stay off the roads if at all possible during this winter weather. States of emergency are already in effect in Missouri, Kentucky, Ohio, Illinois, and Indiana ahead of the storm. So, Hena, the snow is also hitting as a lot of kids are just returning to school from winter break. For some, that might be extended. Schools from D.C. to Kansas are considering canceling classes, but they can do them virtually. And I'm really glad we didn't have to do that when we were kids.
Virtual. We got to enjoy our snow
day.
All right. And of course, be patient, everyone. I love that soundbite, that Midwest
charm.
Yes. Caitlyn Becker, thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Go to joinnn.com to find News Nation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of News Nation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.